If you're just starting out learning to trade, specifically trading options, you may not have a huge account to work with, and that's perfectly fine. Because in this video, we're going to discuss 5 ways to grow a small account trading options. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Number 1, focus on high probability trades. Now, the first way to grow a small account trading options is to focus on high probability trades. Instead of making a lot of trades with small profits, focus on trades with higher probability of success. You see, to me, it really comes down to this. I want stocks, candidates, trades that are highly reliable, highly repeatable, and highly predictable. As long as I can get all of those in there, I've got the right candidate. Will they all hit a home run? No, and I don't need them to. I need the opportunity for that home run to be hit. I get the question all the time, Rob, great, you want highly repeatable or reliable or predictable, but what does that mean? What setups might there be that do that? So if I have a stock that's bouncing off a key level, support, right? That's a great setup. If there's a confluence there, such as a Bollinger Band, a moving average, if other indicators are pointing in the right direction, that confluence makes that a higher probability trade setup. No different than you look at candle patterns. People say, well, a doji is a high probability setup. Well, it is if it was a doji yesterday, not today. Today, it just means it doesn't know if it's going up or down. It also has to do with where it happens on the chart. If it doesn't happen near support or near resistance, the doji means nothing. So find those high probability setups for your best opportunities for success. Number 2, you need to manage your risk. Now, managing your risk is crucial when trading options, especially with a small account. Right? When you look at risk, what does that actually mean? What is your reward to risk ratio? Right? I want to see a minimum of $2 as an example profit for every $1 I'm willing to risk. So that's a 2 to 1. It's actually a 1 to 2, $1 of risk, right? $2 of reward. I want to see that ratio. Now that's a minimum. I preferably want to see a 3 to 1 reward risk ratio. For every $1 I'm willing to risk, the potential to make $3 is there. It doesn't have to make the 3, but the potential is there. Number 3, don't trade your entire account on one position. Now, similar to managing your risk, if you trade your entire account and the trade goes against you, you could lose a huge percentage of your capital, maybe everything, right? So why is this bad? Well, I think that was pretty self-explanatory. Everything, right? I've blown up multiple accounts in my trading career, right? It's very hard to overcome that. When you blow that account up, you lose everything in that account or the majority of that money, and there's not even enough left to do a trade in there. It makes it very difficult from a mindset standpoint to come back again. Break your trades down, even if you're only doing one contract trades, and you do them on stocks you can afford. Don't go after Booking. Don't go after Costco. Don't go after Netflix where you're paying these higher prices. Go after lower price stocks that still have the opportunity to move. So number 4 is keep your trading costs low. Now, trading costs can eat into your profits, especially if you're trading with a small account. So make sure you're looking for companies that have smaller bid-ask spreads, and there are ones that traditionally have that regularly. Make sure you're using brokers that are lower cost in their commissions. You don't need a full-service broker that you're paying $50 to place a trade for you. Get online, place the trade, but you want to keep your costs low. But the one thing you want to make sure to not skimp on is your education. Never, ever, ever believe that learning this all on your own is the right way to do it. Go back and find anything you've done in life that you've been really good at. You've probably been trained or shown how to do it by somebody else, right? Playing baseball, riding a bicycle, it doesn't matter what it is. Your job, you got a job and they taught you how to do what you do there. Don't think that doing it on your own is the way to do it. Make sure you've got a good trading plan, a good education system to move you forward. Number 5, learn from your mistakes. Now, every trader makes mistakes, myself included, but successful traders learn from them and adjust their strategies accordingly. Keep a trading journal to track your trades and review them regularly to identify areas for improvement. These are just 5 ways to grow a small trading account using options. And remember, it takes time and discipline to grow a small account, any account. But with the right strategies and the right mindset, you can maximize your profits and achieve your trading goals. Until next time, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Go ahead and click here to watch another one of our great training programs.